Hello guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna be recording my beautiful bike here, particularly because it has the Competition Werkes stainless steel exhaust. Just wanted to give you guys that are considering getting it a little glimpse of what it might sound like. I also got a OTB Velocity Intake Plate. I love it. It's a little dirty, as you can see though. And I also got a, what else do I got? Engine wise, I just got the intake, the works, and the primary gear. That's about it. I mean, just got the fender eliminator here. Forgot who I got it from. So got these little nice mirrors off of eBay. And almost out of gas. And today I'm going to be shooting here in Philadelphia by the Graffiti Pier. You can see the beautiful Ben Franklin Bridge in the background over there. Alright, so here goes nothing, guys.